What's up, Beanie Babies? Do you want to know how cold it is? Do you know how sick I am of being cold already and we're only in October? Here's how. I'm wearing a hooded sweatshirt, as you can see here. And then over the top of that, I found my other hooded sweatshirt that is lined with, what is that stuff called? Sherpa. Lined with Sherpa. I'm double hooded shirting, because I'm cold. And I also have my winter slippers on, and they look like neoprene diving boots. All right. Typewriter Series 477. Looks like it was stolen from like a Holiday Inn again. I don't really know. There's your wee paper. This one's about watching the clouds. The only thought that wandered across my mind as I watched the clouds float by was whether or not you were finding shapes in them too. Sad one. Sucks when you're doing something so beautifully simple and you're not doing it with the person you want to be doing it with, so your mind just drifts to them. Psh. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. I hope it's warmer where you are than where I am. Peace out.